Cages stay at times 2 on the Barbrock chicken. Somebody give me $8 a piece for them. 8 here, 8.5, 8.5, now 9.5, now 10.5, now 11.5, 11.5, 11 bid here, now 11.5, 11.5 in the back, now 12.5, now 13, $13 here, now half, now.
হ্যালো দর্শক, সবাই কেমন আছেন? আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকে আপনাদের জন্য নতুন আরেকটি ভিডিও নিয়ে আসলাম, যে ভিডিওতে আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো আমেরিকায় কিভাবে হাঁস, মুরগি, গবাদি পশু পাখি, সবজি সহ ফল ফ্রুট বিভিন্ন জিনিস নিলামের মাধ্যমে বিক্রি করা হয়। তো আপনারা হয়তো অনেকেই জানেন না যে আমেরিকায় এরকম লাইভ হাঁস মুরগি নিলামের মাধ্যমে বিক্রি হয়। অনেকে হয়তো জানেন না, জানলেও হয়তো অনেকে দেখেননি বা আসেননি। তো আজকে এই ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন, আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো যে কিভাবে হাঁস মুরগি নিলামের মাধ্যমে বিক্রি করা হয় আমেরিকায়, এবং এটা কোন জায়গায় সেটার অ্যাড্রেসও আপনাদেরকে ভিডিও লাস্টে দিয়ে দেব। তো আপনারা ভিডিওটি দেখুন, আশা করছি এই ভিডিও দেখে আপনারা অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন বা ভিডিওটা অনেক এনজয় করবেন। তো দর্শক, চলুন দেখা যাক আজকের নিলামে কি কি আছে। আমি আপনাদেরকে প্রথমে দেখাই, তারপর পুরো কীভাবে নিলাম হচ্ছে আপনাকে দেখানোর চেষ্টা করব। তো আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন, চলুন পুরো ভিডিও দেখি।
Land, and I threw them in there, and I said, well, they won't lay in the spring.
$10 here now 20, $20, 10's up top now 20, $20 here now 30, 130 here now 40, 140, 140 here now 50, 60, 70, 80, 180, 70 on top here now 80, $80, 170 bid here now $80, you bought them $1.70, 21's the buyer. To the back there.
469.
469. You're buying 5 big roosters right down there in that cage. My Mike, the cage is staying here. You're buying them 5 big roosters and the cage is staying here. I want $12 a piece for on them big roosters. 12s on top here, we're going forward, 12.5. 12.5 here now 13.5, now 14.5, 14.5 now 15. 14.5 bid here now 15, 15, now a little bit of 15, 15, he's in for 14, 15, gotta be 15, $15, 15 here now 50, 15, 50, $16, 16, 50, 16.50, 17, 17.50, 17 bid here now, 17 and a half, and 17 and a half. You bought him 17 bucks, number 63. Hang on a minute. What does anybody know what the number is of them chickens under the stairs? 506.
Fix that, trick it back.
Hang on a minute, we got a computer malfunction up. 15 here now, 15 and a half, 15.50. 15 bid here now, 15 and a half, and it happened $16 and a half, now 17 and a half. 17 and a half, he's in for 17, gotta be half, 17 and a half, now 18 and a half, 18 and a half, now 19, $19, 18.50 here, now 19, that'll be able to 19 here, now 50, 19.50, 19 here, now 19 and a half, and 19.50, now 20, now half, 20 and a half, now 1, 21, now half, 21 and a half, 21 bid here, now 21 and a half, 21 and a half, you bought him 21 bucks, 69. $21.
457. One trio, Rhode Island Red Dandy.
You're buying a trio. What is it? One hen and two roosters, or two roosters and... You're buying a trio. There's 3 Rhode Island Red Dandy. 3 Rhode Island Red. 6 and a half, and a half, and 6 and a half. Last call, 6.50 up top, now 7. $7. He's in up top here for $6.50. $7. 7 here. 7.50. 7.50. 7 here. Now 7 and a half, and a half, and 7.50. 50. You bought them $7 a piece. 60's buyer.
There's 2 Rhode Island Reds a pair.
Okay, you're buying a pair of chickens right down there by Joni. The cage is staying. You're buying a pair of chickens right there by Joni. Black chickens. Cage is staying. $10 a piece. 10 up there. The 10's up top. We're going forward. $11. 10 in here, no, $11, $11, 11, 10 up here, no, $11 bucks, 11 here, $12, $13, $14, 15, $16, $16, he's in for 15, gotta be 16, $16, 15 on top here, now $16, 16 bucks, you bought him 15 bucks, 33 buyer. 10. Right there, them Danny chickens, right there by Mike, the cage is staying here. It's 10 times the money. 8 roosters, 2 hens. I want $5 a piece for us. $5, $5, $5, and a $5, and a $5, now $5, and a $5, 5 here. Going forward, 5 and a half. 5 in here, now 5 and a half, and a half, and a $5.50. He's in for 5, he gotta be $5.50. $5.50, 5 in here, now 5 and a half here, now 6. 6 here, 6 and a half, 6 and a half. 6 in here, now